RF Solutions started in a bedroom in Lewes many years ago. We moved a couple of times since, and in 2014 we moved to our new facility here in Burgess Hill, which is 20,000 square feet. It's purposely designed for our manufacturing requirements. RF Solutions sell to many different customers. We sell to design engineers that want to integrate one of our radio modules within their own application. We sell to electricians who want to install maybe a garden lighting or industrial type product. And we sell specifically designed, customized systems to other companies where we help them integrate radio within their product. When we manufacture a product at RF Solutions, we start at the goods inwards, where materials arrive and are individually batch controlled. So we don't just hold a component part on our warehouse shelf, we hold individual batches of component parts. These will get kitted together and go through one complete life cycle on the shop floor, starting with surface mount assembly, where a complete automated robot arm will pick and place components and then cook the board essentially to create the finished surface mount board. Where then required, an optical robot arm will inspect with a camera, and then they'll go through to any hand processing where an operator will perform soldering. We then will flash program, again an automated process via computer, and then everything is 100% tested. So this involves typically using spectrum analyzers to look at radio signals coming out of or going into a product before finally being packaged and labelled and then go back into the warehouse again. Design and quality are the two most important factors here at RF Solutions. Quality goes without saying. We test all of our product and we expect our customers to open the box and the product works exactly as it says. Design is also a very important aspect. We design with our customers and we take feedback from our customers so that the next generation of products that we create meet the demand we see going forwards. If there's anything that we can do to help you with your application or requirements for a radio product, please do get in touch, either via our website or give us a call where we'll do our best to try and help.